High five!
In this video, we are going to learn an easiest mnemonical way to remember the structures piercing the clavipectoral fascia. Clavipectoral fascia is a fascia present on the pectoral region, and there are four structures that are piercing the clavipectoral fascia. They are cephalic vein, lymphatic vessels, acromiothoracic artery, and lateral pectoral nerve. So these are all the structures that pierces the clavipectoral fascia, and here is an easiest mnemonical way to remember those structures. Look at the mnemonical term. Clap is the mnemonical term to remember the structures that are piercing the clavipectoral fascia. Clap. C for cephalic vein, L for lymphatic vessels, A for acromiothoracic artery, and P for pectoral nerve, and you have to remember that it is lateral pectoral nerve. So clap is a mnemonical way to easily remember the structures that are piercing the clavipectoral fascia.